Okay, so we need an old chainsaw. There we go. Let's just make sure that it actually doesn't work anymore. So now it's time to take everything apart and see what we got to work with. First I'm removing the chain and the blade, and then I'm starting to kind of see what else I can get loose, because we need to take it all apart in order for this to work. There's a lot of screws, but we need to get them all out. As I said, otherwise we can't get this this apart, and we really need to get to the good parts. Now we can remove the string pulley thingy, whatever you call that. It should pop right off, like so. Perfect. And this is the top cover coming off, exposing whatever you call that. The spark plug thingy majingy. So here I'm trying to remove the bottom plate, or I thought it was a bottom plate, but yeah, it didn't work. So I think I'm gonna save this part for, I don't know, making a self-defense weapon? I don't know. Right about here I realized it's full of gas, and I think that's a bad idea when working with tools and I mean, I could set off a spark and I don't want to set myself on fire. I'm also removing the oil just so I wouldn't spill it over the bench or myself or something else. So I'm just cleaning up the exhaust muffler in order to give it a new coat of paint, because it was kind of rusted, and I want this project to look good. So yeah, and when I'm done with this, it's pretty much just to let it hang and dry outside for a while in the sun. So in the meantime, I'm cutting the chain, and also we're gonna do a little bit of welding. Because it's, yeah, you're gonna see why in a couple of minutes. So the muffler thingy is finally dry. Paint looks good, I think. At least looks better than before. So right now I'm just doing a little bit of cleanup, just to make it look good and also get all the gunk out of the motor parts. That's very important. So I'm using a small screwdriver to get in there. After cleanup, it's time for assembly, and don't mind gaskets and stuff like that. You don't need that. The important part is that you get everything together and that you actually use the coolest kind of, yeah, the coolest motor parts you can put in there. And yeah, don't mind lubrication and stuff. We don't need that, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a lot of cool poses, because we need that clickbait thumbnail material. Otherwise you wouldn't be here, right? And when I'm done looking like an idiot, it's time to reveal the actual chainsaw I made. And yes, it's technically a chainsaw. Time for some testing. Let's see how it compares to my other chainsaw. So quite surprisingly, my homemade chainsaw that probably cost me like $10 to make was clearly superior, and the one I bought for $500 is crap. There we have it. Thanks for watching.